how to approve Cash App request for 13 plus. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can approve your Cash App request if you are a 13 plus user, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it depends upon what kind of request you're talking about, whether you're talking about when you're trying to log into your account and then you want to approve the notification, or whether you're actually talking about when someone sends you a payment, you want to approve that specific payment. Well, either way, the process to approve the Cash App request on your Cash App is basically the same, because all you have to do is just go ahead and then open up Cash App. Once you launch Cash App, let's say someone has sent you a payment and then you want to approve it. To do that, first of all, from the bottom right hand side you'll find this little activity icon. You want to make sure to just tap on the activity icon here, which is basically the clock icon. And if there are any type of pending payments that people has sent to you, you'll find the green review button right next to them. So you want to make sure to tap the review button right next to that specific payment, tap on accept, and their Cash App request will be successfully accepted. This is how you can approve Cash App request for 13 plus users. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.